Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra Titanium Black. So I got this from Samsung. It's an unlocked device, right? So I got it from Samsung and I was able to trade in my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, as you can see here. So I came from an old phone. So this is a huge upgrade for me. But by ordering from Samsung.com, I was able to trade in this device for $600, and this now cost me $700. And they gave me a whole bunch of free stuff, which is the AirTag 2 right here. They gave me the AirTag 2 for free, and also a clear case and another heavy duty case. So this is the advantage of ordering from Samsung.com. So now we're gonna go ahead and unbox this device and we see what it looks like. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and open this thing up. Right, this is the best part of unboxing. So let's go ahead and open this side. And now the device should look like this. So there we go guys. Wow, good looking. This is the titanium black. As you can see here, it's a nice device, good looking. So let me lift this thing up. I have to be very careful. It seems like everything is clumsy, but let's see. There we go. So I was able to open it up. Let's put this aside. And now this is the device. Good looking device, man. Check this out. Very nice design from Samsung. New designs on the Samsung Galaxy S. And let's go ahead and peel this thing off. Right, beautiful, beautiful. And this is the device. So I came from far away from Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So I waited for so long to get a new device. And I feel like this one is lighter, you know, it's lighter than the other ones. But anyway, this is a huge upgrade for me. People are saying that it's not worth it to upgrade if you came from Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But me, it's a huge upgrade. So let's go ahead and power it up. All right, so the device is starting and let's see what it looks like. We're gonna go ahead and set it up. I'm gonna transfer all my files from this device, from the Galaxy S22 Ultra, to the new phone. So let's let it start. As I mentioned, this is an unlocked phone. It's not a carrier phone, because I heard that when you get an unlock, you get the advantage of getting the newest software as soon as they come out. So let's go ahead and continue. So over here is asking you, I want to transfer everything from this device to this one. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Galaxy device, set up with another device, Galaxy. And then I'm going to go ahead and scan the QR code from the old phone. So to do that, I'm going to open up the camera, and I believe that, oh, look at me. So from here, I'm going to turn on the camera. And I'm gonna go ahead and scan the QR code. And now verification, let's see what it says here. Now it's connecting to Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna have to connect it to Wi-Fi and then we continue. Put this here. And now over here it tells me to transfer the SIM or get a new SIM. So I'm just gonna do transfer SIM from another device. So I'm going to select transfer SIM from another device. And now what we're doing here, as you can see, it is asking me if I want to transfer the SIM. So I'm going to agree. I'm going to say transfer. And now let it do its magic. So normally whatever number is in here should be in here. And I'm going to verify the verification code 758148. Right, so after you verify now, and now as you can see, it is transferring the SIM from the old device to the new device. And as you can see, it says the SIM has been transferred to the new device. Now I'm gonna let the new device to do its magic. All right, and now we're gonna go ahead and transfer all data from this phone to this phone, right? So let's go ahead and click on next and restart and switch. I'm just gonna follow instruction. Let me hit done in here and put this one aside. And now let me go see what it says. Restart and switch. So, all right guys, as you can see, my device has started. So it seems like I'm gonna need to do some setups. Let me swipe up and see what happens. It's asking me my PIN. And now as you can see, it seems like it tells me welcome, start in English. Agree to all, of course, and getting your phone ready. Now from here, I can select, it says transfer data, send from this phone. So I'm gonna send it. And I'm gonna tell this guy to connect to Wi-Fi. I'm gonna need to put in some password wirelessly. And this one needs to connect to Wi-Fi. And as you can see, both devices need to be connected to the same network, same Wi-Fi, and they both in the same Wi-Fi. Actually, there we go. I'm getting everything transferred now. I say connect. And as you can see now, it is doing its magic. At the end, it's gonna take a long time. It says 44 minutes. Because it's 4 gigabytes of data from this device going to this device. And now we're just gonna sit and wait. All right guys, now let's go back to settings. Now as you can see, I'm done transferring all my data from this phone, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, to this new phone, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, black titanium. So now we're gonna go ahead and explore all options and we see what's new in this new device. But now let's go ahead and check out this device. So as you can see, I got my wallpaper back, and down here you get the briefing. So it tells you what's going on, especially in the morning when you first wake up, you get the briefing. So as you can see, you can start the briefing. So I'm not gonna be setting up this phone totally because it takes a long time, but I'll come back another video to show you all these possible new things on this device because I need to get familiar with it first and then I come back to you guys. There is one feature that I'm gonna show you right now. When I long press the side button and the power down, this is what you see, side button settings. So you can, the side button right here, you can set it up. You can launch any app you want. So here, double press to open camera, long press to open Google Assistant, or you can, it shows you how you power off your device. But you can change everything. You can click, you can choose digital assistance or Bixby or power off your device, but I'm gonna leave it as is. And over here, when you press in here, it gives you more options, right? You can choose to open the camera or flashlight, magnifier, voice recorder, Samsung, and some apps, right? You can choose any apps you want here. But right now, I'm just gonna leave it like that. But as you notice, guys, these are some new icons. In fact, it is downloading all my apps, right? This is the new icons. You can see that the icons are slightly different, such as the gallery icon. But right now I cannot show you much, but I'll come back with another video in depth to show you everything, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.